Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this isosceles triangle ABC fully confined in a semicircle with a center O, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded region, this region, and this region combined. And moreover, this segment CD length is 1 unit. Whereas the diameter of this semicircle is 11 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region, this shaded region area and this shaded region area combined. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. We know the diameter of this semicircle has been given to us as 11 units. So therefore the radius of this semicircle is going to be half of 11 is going to be 11 divided by 2, and this radius AO is going to be 11 divided by 2 as well. So therefore the radius, I'm going to label that one as lowercase r, turns out to be 11 divided by 2 units. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this OD is the diameter of this semicircle as well. So therefore this radius has got to be 11 divided by 2 as well. And now we know that this tiny segment CD length is 1. So therefore this segment OC length has got to be 11 divided by 2 minus 1. And here I have copied down this quantity over here. And now I can tweak this 1, could be written as 2 divided by 2, as you can see in this next step. So therefore this could be written as 11 minus 2 divided by 2, or simply I can write that one as 9 divided by 2. So therefore this whole thing has simplified to 9 divided by 2. So thus this OC length turns out to be 9 divided by 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this green shaded area is going to be equal to the area of the semicircle minus the area of the triangle ABC. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this semicircle and the area of this triangle ABC as well. So therefore let's go ahead and calculate the area of this semicircle first. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where lowercase r is the radius. And since we are dealing with the semicircle, so therefore the semicircle area is going to be pi r square, and we are going to divide this one by 2. And we know that our radius lowercase r is 11 divided by 2. So I'm going to substitute that value over here. So therefore I could write this one as pi divided by 2 times 11 divided by 2 whole square. Let's simplify furthermore. That is going to give us pi divided by 2 times 121 divided by 4. And if we simplify furthermore, that is going to give us 121 pi divided by 8. So therefore the semicircle area turns out to be 121 times pi divided by 8. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case the base of this triangle is 11 units, whereas the height of this triangle is 9 divided by 2. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be a half times the base is 11 times the height is 9 divided by 2. Let's multiply and simplify. That is going to give us 99 divided by 4. And now I am going to multiply and divide by 2 at the very same time. So therefore we are going to get 198 divided by 8. So the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 198 divided by 8. And we made sure that our denominator 8 is same as 8 over here. They are consistent. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded region. So therefore let's recall this equation once again. The green shaded region area equal to the semicircle area minus the area of the triangle ABC. And here we figure out our semicircle area as 121 pi divided by 8, and the area of the triangle ABC is 198 divided by 8. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So our semicircle area is 121 pi divided by 8 minus the triangle ABC area is 198 divided by 8 as well. And now we can see that our denominators are consistent. So therefore our green shaded region area is going to be 121 pi minus 198 all over 8 square units. So thus the green shaded region area turns out to be 121 pi minus 198 divided by 8 square units, and that is going to be approximately equal to 22.77 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.